YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Don't mind my appearance today. I'm just doing a quick little tutorial for you guys because I learned how to do this last night, and I wanted to show y'all how I do the stacked sweatpants. I mean the stacked tights. I did some sweatpants at first, but I didn't really like how they came out because I had hand stitched them and I didn't like how they came out. So I was like, I'm gonna try again, but I'm gonna try with some leggings. I just went to Walmart and I got some leggings from out the kids section. Don't tell nobody. But they was only like $4. I could fit a large in kids. So I was like, okay, I'm about to spend $4 versus spending $10 on one pair that I'm about to cut up anyway. So we're just gonna need some scissors and some fabric glue. And this was like, I don't even know how much it was, but my total wasn't over $20. So you just want to lay them out. Make sure they're even. Next, you want to take the pair of leggings that you're going to cut. The higher you cut up, the more stacked it's going to be. So I'm going to cut like right here. So now that you got your two pieces, you want to cut off the ends of the tights because it's going to show when you put them together and you don't want that. So just cut off this part on both pieces. So now that you cut them off, both pieces should look like this, just like this. And now what you want to do, you want to flip both of them inside out. And then take the wide side and try to put the leggings through. Okay, so I switched the angles so you guys can see, hopefully see a little bit better. Now when you're done, it should look like this. You should have the leggings right here that you're going to wear, and then the leggings that you cut. So now all you want to do is take your glue, roll the piece that you cut up a little bit, and place the glue right on the seam. Sure you get right here because that will cause lifting. The last thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna grab an iron and I'm just gonna press down on the glue to hold it in place. Set a timer for 30 minutes and I'm gonna let this sit and I'm gonna show y'all what they look like. So yeah, sorry for my positioning, but it's been a little bit over 30 minutes and my pants are done and I have them on right now, and I'm just gonna show you guys what they should look like. So now I'm about to show y'all my gray pair, and these are my favorite ones. I love the gray ones. That is all for my video. I hope you guys found this helpful. It was super simple and super easy. It only takes like 30 minutes because you have to wait for the glue to dry and everything, but it's like super simple. and it's really cute. So I hope you guys found this helpful, and be sure to follow me on all my social medias, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.